Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we'll be using AMMO MIG Acrylic Water for dioramas. We will create a water imitation on the port diorama at a 1 to 350 scale. First, we will paint the surface blue. You can use any shade of blue or multiple shades, depending on the color you want to achieve. Let the paint dry for 12 hours. In the next step, wrap our tugboat in thin cling film to prevent it from getting stained with gel. You can apply the gel with a small spoon or spatula, whichever is more convenient for you. This product has been specifically formulated to realistically represent any kind of water, such as oceans, rivers, lakes, waterfalls. Place the model in the desired position to create an outline. After that, clean the gel off that spot. To reduce the waves formed on the diorama, dip the spoon in water to prevent the gel from sticking. Then gently press down on the larger wave crests to smooth them out. The product is odorless and dries in 24 hours. Tools can be easily cleaned with water. After the gel has completely dried, prepare a mixture using a small amount of gel and white acrylic paint. This mixture will be used to simulate water splashes and foam effects. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.